So in this video, I'm going to show you how to do a simple marinade for chicken, beef, pork, for anything. Let's get cooking. First, you want to slice your garlic nice and fine. Then you want to cut your garlic up roughly. Just going back and forth with the knife. Just try and get that rough slices. Put the garlic straight on the meat, step 1. Step 2, add some oil. Olive oil is the best. It keeps it nice and moist, really a good flavoured oil. I'm going to put that on top of the chicken. So we're just going to put that on top of the chicken. We're going to break a few small leaves off it as well, just to sprinkle that over the chicken. Step 3 is you can either use some lemon or lime, but you need that little bit of acidity just on the chicken. Squirt that fresh lemon on, and that'll break down the fibres of the chicken and really get them spices in there. Step 4, you need to put your marinade on top. So it's up to you, whatever you want to use. I'm going to use this lovely piri-piri mix that's got some really nice heavy punchy herb and spices in it. I'm going to use a little bit of sweet paprika. So we've got this nice sweet paprika. Beautiful. I'm just going to use a pinch of that all over the chicken. And I'm going to use that chicken shawarma. So I'm going to use a little bit of that on there. And that's got some garlic and onion powder. It's got some really punchy flavours in there. It's got a little bit of sweet paprika as well. I'm going to use some chilli, some flake chilli, just to give it that little spice, little heat. I'm going to use a little bit of rosemary, dried rosemary, just a touch. And then, just to finish it off, I'm going to use a touch of parsley. There we are. Little bit of parsley, and then some salt and pepper, some fresh pepper, and then some salt as well. There we are. Touch more oil, and I'm going to give it a mix. This is going to allow all them flavours to get in there. I'm going to give it a mix, and then we're going to check it. It's got that garlic in it, it's got that rosemary, it's got that thyme, it's got that shawarma paste, it's got some lemon juice in there. And ideally, you want to leave it to 2 to 3 hours, but the longer you leave it, the longer the marinade gets. So 24 hours, 12 hours is beautiful. Cling film it, put a lid on it, and it'll take all them flavours on. So you've got that lovely marinade, them lovely chunks, and you've got the herbs on it, the spices, the chicken smells beautiful, and we're going to do kebabs with this. And it's just taking on that flavour, and you can see the fresh garlic. If you want to put a bit of ginger in it, you can put a ginger in. Don't forget, a marinade is up to you what you want to put in, add or take away. It's for the individual. So try this today. It's easy. It is absolutely easy. Put it in the fridge, let it marinate overnight, get it out, cook it. It's going to be juicy, succulent, full of flavour. And this is going to make the best chicken ever. But don't tell anybody. Take care. Bye.